Hello students, in previous videos we have learned about the Panda library in Python and what are the data structure in Panda library. We have given some example. There are two type of data structure in Panda. First one is series and second one is data frame. We have learned about the series, how to create a series, and today we will learn about the functions head and tail functions, how to use head and tail function in a series. The syntax is quite simple, as dot head and as dot tail. Uh, Now we are going to make a program how to uh, access data using head and tail function and what are the function of head and tail functions. In series, import Panda SPD. I am directly writing here as equal to pd dot series, and I am giving here data as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and index as A, B, C, D and E. If I am using head function, then what will be the syntax? Series s dot head. Now if we want to print the values produced by head function, then we have to enclose this syntax in print function. So I am writing here outside the head function print. Now you can run this program. You will find here A, B, C, D, E. There are 5 values and 5 values are printed. If I write here 3 as an argument of head function, then it will produce A, B, C, D with corresponding data values 1, 2, 3, means first 3 values. If this series is data is too long, I have also given 6, 7, 8 and here FGH, and I am not giving any argument or number in head function, then it will produce top 5 values of the index of the series. So head function, when we have not given any argument in the function, then it will produce top 5 values. The same way, when we use tail function, then what will it produce? Here it will produce last 5 values. Last 5 values are D, E, F, G, H. These are index, and 4, 5, 6 are the data values. If I write here only number 2, then it will return or give us last 2 values. In this way, tail function is used for retrieving data from any selected or given argument in tail function. Now we will learn about accessing data from series. We can access data from series with the help of index and slicing and selections. So you are looking on the screen. There are given some methods. We are giving directly index with the help of index. Second is slicing column. Third one is also slicing, which will produce first three values and last three values as we have given any input or index value. So we are coding this type of accessing data program. Import pandas as pd and series s equal to pd dot series data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Index, we are mentioning here index as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H, because there are 8 values and we have given 8 indexes. Now we will print S0, print S colon 3, print S minus 3, then colon. If we run this program, we will find the output, how this output come from. Here we have given S0 means values, value on the 0 index. Here the value is 1, so it is printing 1. Next one is S colon 3. Colon 3 means, because we already know in a series or in an array, we will start from 0 index. So this is 0, 1, 2. And colon 3 means first 3 elements or data values of the series. So it is printing 1, 2, 3 with corresponding indexes A, B, C. A, B, C. In third line, we have given minus 3 colon. Minus 3 means if we start it from a reverse indexing, we will find minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3 is 6. Data value is 6. So it will start from minus 3 up to last value. So it will produce 6, 7, 8 with corresponding indexes F, G, H. F, G, H, 6, 7, 8. Now come to the another method. An attribute of the series is, we can also give the index values to retrieve a data. As you are looking here, we have given 2 indexes enclosing with double square brackets. So you can give indexes. I am giving here B index and H index. in double square brackets. If we run this program, we will find B in B index is belong to 2 data value, and H belongs to H is an index and 8 is the data. So in this way we can retrieve using index values. Last method is if we apply an attribute called ILOC. As you are looking here, ILOC is an attribute s.ILOC, and we are giving here column 3. If we run this program, we will find 1, 2, 3, means first 3 values with the help of ILOC attribute. So in this way there are quite easy method to retrieve data from a series. So you can try it